Hello, Ty Hooper here again. This video will go through how we make minor adjustments to our pages on the website. So if we want to go to a specific page, we just click on Pages. And here we have all the pages of the website. So there's 34 different pages, and there's 2 different pages that list the pages on the website, if that makes sense. So if we want to, let's say we want to make a change to the front page, the home page, we just click on Home. And then we're using what's known as the Divi builder, which is a website builder, which is super easy to use. Has millions of users all over the world, so there's a great community behind it. Any issue you have or any question, you can just Google it and it should have an answer, or just look it up on YouTube. That's why I like it, because it's just super easy for everyone to use. Okay, so here we have the Divi builder, and this is the layout of the home page. So if we want to make changes, the best thing to do is have this tab open, which lists different sections, and then have the actual page here so we can sort of see what we're doing. So each section will refer to a large section. So the first section will be this main section here. Second section will be this second section here. Third section, and so on and so on. Okay, so let's say we want to change a bit of this text in here. So we come down to the second section, open it up by clicking the down arrow, and then you can see how we have these 3 rows of text. So that will refer to 1, 2, 3. So we know we want to change this text here, so that's the 3rd one down. So we can click this gear icon to make changes, and then it opens up this text editor. So there's 2 windows here. We want to click on Visual, and then we can just simply come in here, put our cursor, highlight text, and we can just delete that. We can just put our cursor anywhere and write in some more text, and so on and so on. So once we've done that, we want to do that in the Visual tab, not the Text tab, because that writes it up in HTML computer code. So you can just come up here, change, delete, write anything you want, and then once that's done, we click that little green arrow. And if we want to put that onto the page, we click Update, and that'll make it go on the website. And it's as simple as that. It can get complicated because there's lots of different types of, so this is what's known as a text module. There's lots of different types of modules that we can use. So there's an image module here. So we can just click on that gear icon, and that shows up that image there. And if we go onto the website, we know that image will refer to this image here. So if we ever wanted to change this image, we can just delete it, click this gear icon, and that'll take us to what's known as the media library, which lists all the different images, pieces of software, PDFs, etc. So we can choose something that's already in the media library, or we can just upload a file, and that'll ask us to upload a file from our computer. Things like that you probably want to leave. These images have all been set up as in they're the same size. They've got this little curl here, so it's probably something that you wouldn't want to change because it'll make it out of order with the other images. But just things like text, you can just scroll down, find the text module, click on the gear icon, etc. And then you just move things around. It's super easy. If you just hold down your mouse, grab it, and you can just move things around to anywhere you want. You can put it into a different row, into a different section, and so on and so on. So if you come down here, there's text, images, mainly text and images, so it's pretty straightforward. And then there's other modules here, like here's tabs, for example. So if we scroll down, tabs will refer to this area here. So I'll get stuck into that into another video, but this was just a brief introduction to how the Divi builder works. So yeah, go on to the next video from now. Thank you.